Alright. So the problem is when I pull the coals forward, they want to come out onto here. And I don't mind the, the ash coming out, because that's what it's for, get rid of it. But I don't want the coals coming out. So I want to come up with something to prevent that when I pull everything forward. So at the dump, I found this thing, which doesn't exactly fit this stove, and it was at the dump, so I'm going to try to use this to create a little insert so that I can still put wood in, no problem, and I can pull everything forward and the ash will come out, but it'll keep the coals in. So that's what I'm hoping this thing can become. So let's give it a shot. Alright, so I've got this thing in the vise, and there's a support here. There's little metal ties to that. So I think I'm just going to try to cut right along that support and leave one section. Alright, we still got a good look at that, because I think the other thing I might do is try to steepen this bend a little bit. I like the width pretty good. Let's see how that fits. This one's bent too much. I'm going to pull it out. I might have to fine tune that thing, but I like it. Let's try to pull those coals forward and see how it goes. Oh, that is beautiful. Just what I had hoped for.